Apple, AAPL, is focusing on strengthening its sales outside of China and plans to open its first retail store in Malaysia on June 22. Apple has been expanding its retail presence in Asia outside of China, opening stores in countries like India and Thailand in recent years. Apple has been manufacturing some Macs in Malaysia for several years, and iPhones in India, and AirPods in Vietnam. The growing income levels in densely populated Southeast Asia indicate that even the upper 5% of the population in these countries have significant purchasing power. If the ASEAN population of 700 million can replace their phones with the latest iPhones, that would create at minimum $70 billion in sales a year. Additionally, Apple could sell various services such as Apple TV and charge extra for AI features. The iPhone, a luxury item that needs to be replaced every 2 years, has customers who are willing to donate generously for additional features. Apple's business model is impressive. As a leader in on-device AI, let's continue to accumulate and see what the future holds.